Today I'm sharing with you my point of view on the Canon Pixma printer. So guys, it's an easy to install, easy to use, easy to set up kind of thing. So guys, ideal printer for people who have like large volumes, to print. So if you download the Canon Print app on your phone, you can even give a print command from your mobile. And of course, it has a copier option and a scanning option as well. So guys, the cartridge is right here. This right here is the cartridge cover. It has this beautiful black color, and I don't know, this texture is very matte. It's really easy to use buttons. You can see the power switch, the stop switch, the black and white, and the colored option here. So guys, easy to use. You just plug this into the switch and hit the power button. You can see the green light flashing. Then guys, you will see this blue light flashing. This is the Wi-Fi thing, so this needs to be on because this denotes that the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi, so which is important if you want to take a print. So guys, the paper is ready. Just given a print command from my phone and just want to show you the print out quality here. So guys, this is where you place the paper for scanning. It goes like this. Shut it. Hit the scan button.